Guys, today I went to the store and I bought a PS5. Okay, then my dad came into my room and then he just randomly farted on it. Then it just broke. Then I had to go back to the same store I got it, and this time I got an Xbox. And then I locked my doors to make sure no one comes in to break it or anything. Then my brother had a key for my room, and yeah, he unlocked it and he farted in the room. Okay, so then I went to go get another. Okay, sorry. So yeah, and I didn't get any more because I didn't have my